Hello friends, I'm out in the balcony and what do you see on my table? There are two kinds of apples from Toast Trails. These are the red royal red, those are the golden apples, and what I'm making is something special for Ganpati. I won't announce it in the beginning of the video, but you will know at the end. So, welcome back to Talkative Anjali's kitchen and let's see what's happening here. So, I have the royal reds, the golden apples, and I have two washing basins over here and apple cider vinegar, so that when we cut these apples and grate them, we will coat them with vinegar so that they do not tarnish. Now, and the green apples or the golden apples have been chopped into small pieces. I have heated ghee and now I'm making a filling out of it. So to this ghee, once it starts fuming, I will add the apples and fry them a bit. I have added apple cider vinegar to it so that they don't blacken. So I've added all the apples into the ghee and I'm frying it a little bit. To this I'm going to add sugar. First I'm going to reduce this to half and then add the sugar so that we know how much sugar we do. And I've diced about 9 apples. 9 apples are about 1 kg to 1.25 kg. If you see any of these seeds, remove them. I will let them cook for 2 minutes covered. Let's check back. We want them to dry out nicely. So we will allow this to be cooked. To the cooking apples, I will add this 1 teaspoon of powdered cinnamon. I have powdered the cinnamon with a little bit of sugar. See, at this point I haven't added any sugar yet, so I will allow this to cook nicely. we have to let the apples cook, because once we add sugar, then the apples will stop cooking. Let's check again. So there the apples have been cooking. I'll give it a stir. Okay, they look cooked now, and I'm going to add sugar to this. Now to this amount of half a kadai of apples, I'm adding 1/3 cup of sugar. I will keep tasting, because these are not my regular proportions, so I will keep tasting, and according to the taste I will add more. So this is 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, I can add one more. So I'm adding another 1/4, so about half a cup of sugar has gone into it. I'm going to stir it in. Now I'm going to reduce the gas, because we don't want it to burn. Now we will allow the apples to cook down. Keep the flame on medium. Let it cook down. And now we are going to cook them on open flame. These are the golden apples that have been cooked. It is almost cooked to a halwa consistency, and I've stopped the gas now, and I'm going to leave it to cool down while I grate the red apples. So this is done. This is the last apple that I am grating, and now this one I am going to spice with a clove instead of what I have used before. I used cinnamon with the golden apples, but with these royal reds I am going to use clove, and these I will use in the steamed modaks. Heated 1 tablespoon of ghee in the pan, and I'm going to fry this grated apples. So these are the royal reds that we grated outside in the balcony, and so I'm going to fry them immediately. And cook it down just like the chopped golden apples. And similarly make it into like a halwa consistency, so that we can fill it in the puran. So we have to dry it off, and then when it dries off, then we will add about half a cup of sugar. These apples are quite sweet on their own. So these were 9 apples, about 1 or quarter kg, 1 plus quarter kg. So This I'm going to spice with cloves. I have added about 10 cloves into it. Cook it. I'm going to allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Medium, less than medium actually. Meanwhile, I'm kind of breaking these walnuts with hand to add into the chunky apples that we have made over here. Mix in. It's nice and dry. Will make a good filling for the modaks. Smells really nice with all the cinnamon in it. Let me check this. Make sure that it is not sticking because this is a thin vessel. Dried up nicely. I'm going to add sugar to this, about quarter cup or half cup of it rather. We're measuring out half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup, and another 1/4 cup. I'm going to mix. Let's cook this. At this point, though I'm cooking with lots of apples, I could actually add mava in this to make it like a mava and apple modak, but that is another creative way of doing it. And to this one, I'm going to add kaju and golden raisins. So this is going to be a little more sweeter than the other one, because we will add golden raisins into it. So those will add further sweetness. While this is cooking, I will cook it on open flame. On sim, I will go ahead and get cashew and raisins. So there, a handful of golden raisins. And a handful of cashews. Generous handful of cashews, that's it. Give it a mix. So this can be again had as it is on toast or whatever, like a halwa, like a jam or whatever you call it. Very good on toast and excellent for stuffing. You can make tarts with it, whatever, or a galette. Let it cook down a little bit on medium. done. It will start leaving the sides now. That's when it is done. So that is what it looks like. Very dry. And this is the consistency we will leave for the filling. As it cools, it will dry further. It's about scoopable. Very good for the filling. It will stay soft also while it cooks. This one is going to be the puran for the steamed modaks. Now let me get making the dough. I'm going to let this sit now to cool. Now I'm getting the doughs ready. So I have boiled water and I have added rice flour in it to make the ukkad. We always make the roux with this, and then I will knead it into a smooth dough. I will need both my hands to do that. And this is maida with mohan, that is ghee added to it. So this also I will first rub into the flour, add a little bit of salt, and then knead it into a smooth dough. Smooth but tight. Then I will shape the modaks. The roux has been removed into the basin to cool, and then I'm going to knead it. And this is the maida with little bit of suji added to it, rava added to it, and I have kneaded it into a smooth ball, and and I've left it to proof a little bit for half an hour. Until then I will allow this to cool, knead it, and meanwhile now I'm prepping to fill up these modaks. So I have taken the saran or the filling down. I'm going to sit down and make these modaks. So there you see both. So those are my steamed modaks. One of it is torn, and those are my talniche modak. I turned them over so their tips have gone flat and one opened up, but how they taste I will be able to tell only after eating. That is my Ganpati Bappa. हे आहे आमचं नैवेद्याचं ताट. उकडीचे मोदक, तळणीचे मोदक, दही, गुलाबजामुन, बासुंदी. झाले किती? 5 प्रकार. 2 प्रकारचे मोदक, गुलाबजाम, बासुंदी आणि दही साखर. तो चांगल्यात चांगला मोदक. बेस्ट ऑफ माय मोदक्स आर इन द प्लेट, and that is varan bhat.